We're gonna put this thing together. This is what it's gonna look like. This is the instructions in case you need them. Screenshot. So I think what we have to do is we start with A, and we put all these in, right? Which I think is this. I mean, that has to be that, I would imagine. Wouldn't you? And I think it goes on this. This is the small one that would go like that, right? You see, if it follows me? But I think this goes through it like that. Yeah, just like that. Okay. All right. Okay, so this piece right here we have to flip over. Let me zoom out. We're gonna set it like this, and then this is gonna go just like that. You follow me? And then we've got to put the screws in. And here's the screws right here. All right, so there they are. Right now, the question is, which screws do we use? I think the small ones go there, the big ones go here. So we're just gonna kind of try to find the hole. Once we get one in, we should be good, right? See, I've got it right there. It should be right in there. Okay, now let's see what we get. See if it goes in. Oh, there we go. That was ridiculous. Took forever. Let's get one up front here. I think maybe that was just the worst one. Maybe. Because the rest of them seem to be going in pretty good. I might go get a driver to do this. This is ridiculous. There we go. Just gotta get them started. Yep, no problemo. Just like that. Yeah, if I had a driver, that'd be a lot faster, I guess, than doing this. Should I go get a driver? Yeah, I think I will. This is stupid. So much easier with a DeWalt 20-volt cordless driver. Let's do it. Let's make sure we got it forward. That's a lot faster, right? So much faster. That would have taken me forever to do. That thing they gave me. All right, I think we got it. Take these, slide them off. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Woohoo! That's pretty good, huh? So now this, apparently, this is gonna go like this. You follow me? I think. I would imagine that's how it would go. All right, so this, we gotta put this on. And this one's gonna be a little bit different because we gotta do this. You see that? We gotta slide it through the hole. And I believe it's gonna go like this. You follow me? Like, just like that. And then we gotta flip this over. And then we gotta screw it in. You see? And what's cool about this is I'm just gonna take this thing up here, set it right there. You follow me? Now it'll be easier to do. Let's get our screws. Oops. All we gotta do is put them in. I'm gonna set them first like this. You follow me? And then I'll get the driver on them. which will make it 1,000 times faster. Just like that. All right, DeWalt. So anyway, this is the DeWalt. It's got a little light on it. We've got a Phillips head in it. And I think we've got it on 15, which is way too much. That's why it was torquing out on me. Let's bring it down to 7 so we don't strip these things. You follow me? All right, let's get her in there. That's in. That's in. Now these, I gotta be a little bit more, I gotta kind of hold it up. Got it? This way I don't strip them because I pull that so the torque on it, you see? The torque stops, keeps me from screwing up the heads of the, just like that. And this is the base of it, right? So this part here goes like that. And then this is gonna set on top of it. And this, I think, just goes right here, like that. You know, because this is how they're showing it. Or wait a minute. Or does that? Oh, they're showing it in 2 pieces. So I think that this goes there, and then this screws down on top of it, like that, and tightens it. You follows me? So this is gonna squish down through there. So this will have to go on like that, right? So there, and then this, I think has to go in. We gotta get it inside there. Which I think now I've gotta do this. I think this has to go like this. I gotta pull this off. And I think that this has to go like this. Got to get it around this piece. You follow me? I do believe it goes like that. You see, like that. And then this is gonna go in this hole, just like that. And then you've got to set the height on it. Yeah. So now we gotta, I think this has to get on there, right there. Let's set it like this. Okay. So that screws on it like that. And then it makes its, you know, and then I think you can put it any way you want. We'll just have to figure out the height that we want to set it at, because it will go higher. You know what I mean? You see that? But that should do it. Yeah. And then you just twist this righty-tighty, and that kind of locks it in. And then you just got to figure out the height that you're going to put it on. And I think that these go on the bottom, and they're so that it doesn't scrape. So let's do that.
Did you finish it?
I'm doing it right now. So this, I would put one here,
That's it, right?
one there, and one there. Yeah. That's it.
There's no other part.
Well, I got to put
You
the...
can adjust it, right?
Yeah, this goes up and down. Here, got to kind of pull it up and then
I
tighten.
had mine low
Yeah.
because it slid over the couch.
This one's pretty low right here. That's as low as it goes.
That's as low as it goes?
Yeah, you can make it go higher though.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you think? I don't know. It's not like the most expensive one.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But
the screws with those.
no, this goes on the bottom here. So that's the top where you put your stuff. And then this here, I got to pull the
Where
tape.
do they go?
They go right here. so that it doesn't scrape the.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I just put them on the bottom there. I mean, that's what they don't even really tell you.
Super sturdy, is it?
No, it's not the best product in the world.
Mine was made of wood.
Yeah, this is some press
Mine
board.
was much lower because it slid over something about this high.
Yeah.
It slid over a couch.
Well, this one will go. You can put it.
Either way.
Yeah. Now I just got to put those things on the bottom.
That's loose, right?
Yeah. All right, so I got to peel these. This I've got to get under there like that and peel it just like that. And that's the sticky side. So I'm going to try to put it towards the corner the best I can. Okay, we got 2 more. I can get this off of here. And this one's going to go right. Got to put one right here. There we go. So now we got 3 of them on. We got 1 left to put on right here. There it goes. All right, we're done. Bam. Finito. Yeah. Throw that stuff away. Keep this screwdriver. And bam, we're ready to go. Yep. And the finished product. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.